getting there. I have a right to be cranky.
Yep.
You were born cranky.
I was. I'm a Cajun, man. You can't get that out of me.
I've created a monster. Say hello to Don's
Created
new
a
machine.
Order. That's what you did. That's a his shop.
Yeah, see, I've made a mistake. I'm going a place where the machinery equipment is cheap.
Oh, it is.
And I've got two very large shops. So
You're screwed. You're screwed.
Comes a little.
and we're moving because of my wife's work. So
Well, he's got a.
I've got the guilt.
Don's even got this
We know
loaded
we
up.
don't travel to get something, so we need something. I'll keep in touch. So you can find it for us. We just bought a nice radio on drill.
Uh-huh.
One place in Houston. That thing. Yeah, somebody put a table on that thing. 2-inch thick steel.
Uh-huh.
Don's loading up today. They've turned this on. Seems to run fine. That's closing.
So don't film the wiring because I don't want to have an OSHA problem.
I didn't know what you're here.
Well, unfortunately, sir, you've run afoul of Steve and Don's blackmail service.
Using wire.
We're going to be talking to some people later on.
More than 10 employees, so I'm not covered by OSHA.
There you go.
Well, fire marshal. How's that? We'll turn you into the fire
It's a
marshal.
temporary one.
I don't know. I've been here how many years? 18 years?
No, 20 minutes.
20
It
minutes.
literally was powering the lathe before you got here.
How big of a circuit you're running on? You know?
And now
30 amp, yeah.
he's selling this Lablond DRO. I think it's a 14 or 16 inch. 54 inch bed. It's got a taper attachment. Does any more chucks come with it? Got a 4-jaw. Does any more chucks come with it? I don't.
When he went inside.
He's been running it off of an American rotary converter.
Between that, my vacuum former. What do you do for this? We manufacture hydroponic vertical systems for lettuce and stuff like that.
Do you have any more chucks or tooling with this?
Chucks, I might have a small one, but there's plenty of tooling in the cabinet that's sitting there.
Yeah, that's the key with selling lathes and selling tooling too.
I got a lot of big cutters and tool steel stuff.
Okay.
I helped the guy who had a machine shop wind things down, and he was just like
Here,
throwing stuff.
give it.
And that was the tool and cutter grinder came with it. It was just trash totally. So
It says it's a 1942,
yep.
and so that's how much money he wants for it, but he is negotiable.
And you're moving when? April?
We hope to be out of here by the 10th of April.
10th of April.
So there's a deadline.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why I was asking.
There's a commemorative Air Force wing down here off Highway 6. I was looking to tool up.
Don
stuff
picked
for
up
their
this.
equipment. So I thought, well, you know, same era of equipment for same era of.
So you're moving to Indiana and want to sell most of your stuff before you go.
Well, I don't want to sell.
Well, I mean, you're
have to
going
sell.
you're going where you can find good deals.
Hopefully.
The DRO works?
No. Well, actually, it does work, but it was on the Bridgeport, and the glass slides for it were in the pickup truck that got stolen 2 weeks ago.
Ah. Where was it at when it got stolen?
Right in front of my business.
Damn.
It was a 97
Like-
F-250, parked between an Audi and a Mercedes,
And they told you truck.
and they took my truck.
Too bad it wasn't a Chevy. It's funny how one really bad experience with GM has turned a lifelong Chevy owner into somebody that will never buy another one.
Well,
Anyway,
It's the Power Stroke diesel, and as far as I'm concerned, Ford hasn't built a decent diesel since that one.
That's why I just go. The only reason I buy Dodge is I love the Cummins in it.
Yes, but then you have to have the Dodge around it.
But you know,
well, for not for very long, they fall off.
but I've got a 2000.
Uh-huh.
It's still running.
Yeah.
Still almost
Just as
40,000 miles.
cranky and cantankerous as you.
Yeah, but it works.
Well, let's see. About a month ago, you and your poor three
That was
dogs were
battery.
sitting in your house.
That was batteries. freezing to death.
Sitting in your house freezing to death because both of your Dodges did not start.
To the batteries.
I don't care if it was because of the air in the tires. You were stranded.
It's still batteries.
It still didn't work. You're lucky you didn't die.
Yeah, you're right there. Almost froze to death.
I like watching other people work doing this.
Right. There you go. Yeah. What? That's it? Good. Perfect.
Hey, do you have any wood we could put between those forks so it won't slide? Like a 1/4-inch plate or piece or something? It's too late now. No, I'm talking about on the forks. No, set this down and put that wood on those forks
Why is that?
because metal on metal slides really, really easy.
Oh, I don't think we're gonna go fast enough to worry.
Okay.
Hang on just one sec. Hang on just one sec. The boxes are just hitting the fork.
What? Slid on those down there. If you put a piece of wood between those two, it won't slide anymore.
I know. You probably got any money.
Did you pay him? It's yours. I'm just an innocent bystander now. It'll fall on you. Now, okay, hold on now. Let me get some things real quick. Now I've got another one.
That's not the right height. You got one. You got one.
Enough to where get as close to the edge of this little plate as you can. So when
Right
you
here,
drop
this?
this, no, this side, the inside. That way we can put a board across the back and push against the board.
Alright.
You're going to hit these two even back here. No, Don, put it back where it was. Keep it even with this one over here. Okay. Yeah.
Ready to bring it down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back out and put something you can push it.
I see what you want. That's why you wanted to be even.
Right there. Okay, we finally got loaded up and strapped down. A little hint for anybody that ever moves grinders: always secure the table. Otherwise, you have to go back along the road and find where it flew off.
My man.
Don said this is okay for him. Put the rest in the truck.
Well, that was pretty much just throwing. He just threw that in, so I'm not gonna say no.
Yeah, but it's a piece of history. You don't want it bouncing down the road.
This is true.
So you could refurbish it and give it to me for my birthday.
Oh, there you go.
I'd probably sell it to somebody, but we're not going to tell Don that. Now we just got to get it off of here. My wife said that if I backed up to your concrete slab where you said you had that and hit the brakes, it would come right off. Boy, it's windy. Let's get out of here.